I'm Dr. William Linger, AMED President for 2018, and it's my pleasure to invite you to the AMED Penn Dental Microscopy meeting in Philadelphia, September 28th to 30th. This is a joint meeting with the University of Pennsylvania School of Dental Medicine and covers multidisciplinary topics for general dentists, specialists, and laboratory technicians. Whether you are a general dentist or a specialist, details matter in dentistry like never before. So our 3-day program will show you cutting-edge technology, diagnostics, clinical techniques, and live surgery. We feature speakers from Japan, Russia, Germany, and the United States. Our topics include preparation success for CAD/CAM restorations, minimally invasive oral surgery, advanced endodontics, periodontal surgery, digital laboratory workflow, and pediatric dentistry. We'll have hands-on courses focusing on specialty areas like periodontics, endodontics, and basics of dental microscopy. The meeting will take place on the beautiful campus of the University of Pennsylvania, September 28th to 30th. I welcome you to join me in America's first World Heritage City, Philadelphia. Early bird registration ends June 1st, so sign up now.